Yo, what is going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. My name is Drew. What it do? In today's video, we're going to be reviewing and I'm going to be talking about the Packer times Reebok Trinity Premier in the cream colorway. Let's get into it. So the Trinity Premier is a 2000s runner that was originally released by Reebok. Obviously, it fits perfectly into the dad shoe and the kind of vintage motif that we're currently in fashion in sneakers. So as you open the box, it opens similar to a Yeezy box that has a slide tab or slide open box. After peeling back the paper from the shoe, you're presented with the actual sneaker in and of itself. The sneaker is an amalgamation of colors, textures, and patterns in terms of what materials are used to create the shoe. That includes mesh, suede, leather, 3M hits, and I think overall they did a fantastic job with the construction of the sneaker. After I got the shoe yesterday, my girlfriend actually pointed out that the shoe reminds her of, or it gives off kind of Balenciaga Triple S vibes because of the thickness of the actual midsole. And I can kind of see that. The midsole is very, very thick and the shoe appears a lot bigger in size because of the thickness of the midsole than, you know, you would kind of presume the sneaker to look like if you looked at a picture online. So the collaboration consisted of both cream and brown colorways for the shoe. I actually was able to acquire both colorways and I am extremely happy with, you know, getting the shoe in hand and feeling them. The shoe is very substantial, and I use the word substantial quite often in my reviews because, you know, I think with dad shoes or with kind of more sporty vintage motifs, you want them to be durable and you want them to feel like and have that kind of, you know, weight to them to make them seem like they'll last a long time. And these Trinity Premiers are no exception to that description. So this collaboration really caught my eye. I think it flew under the radar for a lot of people because of it wasn't very hyped, it wasn't very difficult to get. I got both pairs, like I said, in my size, and I'll be showing the brown pair as well. But I think what Packer and Reebok did for this collaboration that really stood out to me was their campaign video. And I'll play a clip of that campaign video, but it was just a beautiful array of showcasing the sneakers. The collaboration also had apparel that was associated with it, and I think they did a great job of, you know, weaving in the apparel with the video and the sneakers and all that kind of stuff. Overall, I am really pleased with the way the shoe looks. I think it just goes to show that, you know, there are a lot of really great sneakers being made right now, and this one is just one that is under the radar. I'm happy about it because, you know, I got an opportunity to cop and I get to share it and I get to wear it, those kind of things. And yeah, I'm just very impressed by the collaboration. The box in and of itself isn't anything special, but I think that special boxes, while they do add a nice touch, they're not always necessary. And I think Reebok, like I said, Reebok and Packer did a fantastic job. So let me play a clip of the campaign video for you guys right now. I just took a screen recording, so here it is. Boom, just like that. That's pretty much the review, guys, on the unboxing experience. Give me your guys' thoughts on the sneaker. Was it something that was under the radar for you? Did you even know about it before this video? Did you know about it and did you cop and you're just keeping it to yourself? I haven't really seen it around very much, and I think it's a very dope sneaker. It's kind of, I mean, it reminds me of you know, the sport motifs or the sport silhouettes of New Balance with the way the lining and the mesh is. And I think if it was a New Balance sneaker, maybe it would be more hype, because I think New Balance is absolutely killing it right now. But anyways, give me you guys your comments. Was it under your radar? Is it a shoe that you don't really care about? You don't really like Reebok? You know, whatever it is, I would love to hear your guys' comments down in the comment section. I will be showcasing this sneaker more so on my Instagram, so if you want to see it in an aesthetic way, I'll be posting something on Friday. This Friday, the date of recording this video is Friday, so I might post this video on Saturday. But by the time you see this video, I will have pictures of this on my Instagram. So please give me a follow on Instagram at DrewJoyner_ if you want to see more images of the shoe in an aesthetic and a real light. As always, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated on videos that I post. I post videos weekly and I try to keep the content rolling. So if you're here to ride with us, let's ride together, man. Like I said, I hope you have a beautiful and a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Peace.